What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Back with another banger as usual, guys. Tonic is looking so great. The chart looking super bullish, holding super strong. Minor corrections along the way, but we're still holding that $25 million market cap floor. Chart is very steady, and I think we're just waiting for like broader bullish moves in the market, or a catalyst from the Tonic team. And there has been an update in the Discord about the Tonic tokenomics and the emissions, right? The amount of tokens that gets released on the market as time goes by. And I've seen that it's very bullish. It's super bullish for the update that they have, and we're gonna go through that in this video, right? Because a lot of people are concerned about the tokenomics for Tonic. We're gonna go through that because the emissions, it seems like they have something bullish set up for the emissions. If this is something that you're interested in, guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 2,000 subscribers achieved. Can't thank you guys so enough. Thank you so much for all the support, man. It really means a lot. And let's get to 3,000 next, guys. Let's hit these goals. Let's keep growing the channel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also support my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. I'm sure you'll enjoy these videos. Now, before we dive into the the tokenomics and the update that the Tonic team released in the Discord, right now we're at 30,538 people on the Tonic watch list, which is great, holding that $25.736 million floor for Tonic, and 223k in 24-hour trade volume. Like I said, the chart is great, chart is beautiful, it's holding up super well, hand in hand with Bitcoin, like their big brother and little brother. When it's supposed to be Crow and Tonic, that's big brother and little brother. But Tonic is highly correlated with the broader markets because of its strong fundamentals for the project. It's a great altcoin, great utility altcoins stand up very well. So when we enter a next bull cycle, a next altcoin season, that's when you're gonna see this thing fly. And one point I also wanted to mention is that Tonic has survived the bear market. I really do believe it's safe to say the bear market has come to an end. Maybe we have one more major dump in the broader markets, and then Bitcoin tumbles, so does the rest of the market. But it looks to me that Tonic has survived the bear market, and that is very bullish, guys. From DAMK, if you hold 1 billion coins, the price is only has to move 3 zeros and you're rich. Buy and hold till this bull run. You will be so glad you did. Life-changing wealth all over crypto. Just have to be patient. Fully agree with that. When new exchange listings, guys, when new exchange listings, I say Q3 2022. Okay, majority of people on this poll say Q2 2023. We could see new exchange listings for Tonic. Actually, that is very interesting because Tonic is only on crypto.com and VPS Finance, so no other exchanges. You start tossing some more exchanges into the mix for Tonic, this market cap will increase very fast, right? It's so bullish to know that there's so many catalysts that could unfold for Tonic, guys. From Crypto Horde, I'm still bullish on this hidden gem. Now let's check out the Discord from CM Gojo Tectonic. Good morning, Tectonians. The protocol update for year 2 is out. Check out this article to learn more about the token emission schedule. And a lot of people showing love in the Discord. Bunch of thumbs up, bunch of hearts. And also remember, guys, if you have collateral locked, remember this update that they had previously, they put out a reminder. Good morning, Tectonians. Just a gentle reminder on the announcement above. The market parameters for several markets will be updated from February 2nd, 2023. Please do repay your loans or supply more collateral to mitigate liquidation risk. But this is what we wanted to check out right here, guys. This is the big news that we wanted to check out. Protocol updates for year 2. Protocol updates for Tectonic year 2. Good morning, Tectonians. It's been a year since we launched the protocol, and this means it's almost time for our token emission schedule for year 2. Token emissions meaning how much coins that get circulated to the market, right? Based on the Tonic release schedule designed at launch, we will be adjusting subsidized incentive emissions by about 2/3 for the second year. Going forward, the remaining Tonic incentives will be distributed linearly over the next 4 years. That is very bullish. Distributed linearly over the next 4 years. If we're in 2023 right now, and you know, the token emissions get distributed over the next 4 years, we're gonna be, you know, maybe the bull run starts next year, or you know, we are starting to see more bullish momentum coming into the, you know, middle of 2023 or the end of 2023, going into the hype bull cycle 2024, and then, you know, the end of the bull cycle in 2025, right? So a 3-year time span for, you know, the distributed emissions, 4-year time span will be perfect, because, you know, that gives us more time so the tokens aren't in circulation too fast, if that makes sense, right? The planned Tonic incentives change will take effect on 7th February 2023. Please read on more below to learn about the rationale and how it can benefit the Tonic community. What does this mean for you? In our first year of operation, token emissions were a key bootstrapping mechanism in order to incentivize supplying and borrowing, obviously, for them to provide, you know, these rewards with staking and vaulting and all of these rewards. You'd have to, you know, have, you know, the tokenomics to do that. At that point, fees alone were not enough to incentivize participation. However, as the protocol has matured and grown in TVL, literally just made a video yesterday explaining TVL. So before, they had to supply coins to the market to give you guys those staking rewards and give us those staking rewards and those vaulting rewards, etc., right? To lend and borrow, etc. Now that the protocol has matured and is growing and has grown so much in TVL, now they could just use, let's see, right here. Now they could just use the fees to provide these rewards, right? We have also been actively building up the use cases for Tonic and Tonic tokens, which will give our community more ways to be rewarded. Bullish, so bullish. This is the most bullish news we've got, guys, in for the year, and this is great. As shown in the chart below, part of the Tonic allocation was set aside for liquidity mining and staking rewards. In line with our release schedule, the emission rate for such incentives will slow down from year 2 onwards. This is the year 2 update. So the token emissions, the token emission rate will slow down. This is super bullish stuff that we're reading right now, guys. This is absolutely bullish, right? I see a lot of projects that are like, you know, DeFi swaps, and because their emission is so much, the price just keeps tanking and tanking and tanking. And you talk to the devs and be like, guys, you need to slow the emissions, right? You're making the price dump at a rapid pace. Tonic, because now the TVL has grown, the protocol is maturing, it has the number 1 TVL on Cronos chain. They could literally just, you know, provide incentives just off the fees that they get from the protocol, because the TVL is so large now. So they could actually slow the emissions for the Tonic release schedule. And this is like a little graphic that you have here. So it'll be slowed down going into a 10-year time span. And you know, the team 23%, ecosystem reserve 13%, network security and maintenance 13%, airdrop 0.1%, community incentive 50.9%. So majority of the token emissions are going to the community incentive, right? This is bullish tokenomics as well too, guys. I see a lot of protocols where like the team is getting some large amount, you know, then there's the advisors that get some large amount, there's a large amount going to like, you know, some random thing. You're like, what is that? Majority of the tokens in the Tonic ecosystem are for the community rewards, 50.9%. That is great stuff right there. This means that total daily rewards on our platform users will be impacted, including the Tonic rewards for supplying and borrowing, as well as for our Tectonic vaults. More importantly, this means that the rate of inflation for Tonic will slow down. Now, there's two projects. One of them I covered on my channel, and one of them, the CEO is always going to, clothing brands, name brand clothing brands, and buying clothing. No disrespect to any of these projects, I took a chance on one of them, but they have super high inflation rates for their projects, and that has a huge price impact, guys, like a huge price impact when the circulating supply, the emission rate is just, super fast. Since the rate of emission for Tonic will start to slow down now, trust and believe it will hold more steadily in the price. It will have less of an impact on the project as a whole going forward, and it's great to know that the project has matured so much they could rely on fees instead of token inflation. So because the rate of inflation for Tonic is slowing down, this is so bullish. Reducing the rate of new Tonic supply in circulation helps to decrease token inflation, which ultimately is beneficial to token holders as it decreases their rate of dilution. The team in Tonic is not just trying to go after money. A lot of projects, they dump the coins into circulation as fast as possible and use those tokens that they put on the broader market to sell to fund their wallets and say they're funding the project. Guys, this is not the case with Tonic, man. Once again, reducing the rate of new token supply in circulation helps to decrease token inflation. That is so great. Note that dilution is the loss experienced by existing token holders when new tokens are added into circulation, and that we could expect. What's next for Tectonic? As a quick recap for what we delivered last year, some of our major milestones were the launch of Tonic staking, maturity vaults, and the analytics dashboard. Great stuff. Team is building. Over the next few months, we'll focus on delivering 2 features, NFT staking and isolated lending pools. Okay, they had those 2 listed on their roadmap, the NFT staking and isolated lending pools. NFT staking aims to provide further utility for Tectonic Vault users as well as Cronos NFT holders. This is what I'm saying. More and more people in the Cronos ecosystem, I see, I'm not sure what's the name of the NFTs on Crow, but they're like lions. So if they're gonna have use case for the lion NFTs, if you hold those type of the lions, not sure what they're called, guys, but if you do hold them, Tonic having use case for those lions will bring more and more people from Crow, to the Tonic ecosystem, which is great. On the other hand, isolated pools will allow us to list new tokens while providing an added layer of security to users. Super focused on their security. Great stuff. Users will also be able to enjoy additional rewards in the form of partner protocols, native tokens. Okay, so they recently had the partnership. What was the name of that company once again, guys? Let me check it out so I don't miss anything for you guys. 57,500 followers on Twitter. It is growing, guys. Vino. They recently had a partnership with Veno or Vino Finance. So right here, additional rewards in the form of partner protocols, native tokens. So when they have partnerships, you get additional rewards from the partners' native tokens as well. Like, for example, the partnership they had with Vino or Veno Finance. Over the medium term, we also have on the roadmap some projects that have been widely requested by our community, including an upcoming NFT collection. Hold on. Widely requested by our community. Upcoming NFT collection. Okay, you never know what could happen with Tonic providing staking and DeFi for NFTs on the Cronos ecosystem, guys. To me, that could just grow the Tonic project more because, a lot of people, there's a huge market of people in the Ethereum NFT side on OpenSea, there's a huge demographic for that, and the Solana NFTs. Crow NFTs are still making a start, right? And as that market starts to, you know, grow and develop, and then there's more and more people that are into the Crow NFTs, Tonic being providing DeFi for the Crow NFTs, will be bullish for Tonic, guys. I like the way the team is thinking with that. And we will be sharing more information on our future roadmap, so do watch this space. I love when people say that. Do watch this space. In the meantime, please feel free to reach out to our CMs on Discord and Telegrams for any questions. And we have a breakdown of the token allocation as well. But yeah, this article that we went through, guys, super bullish stuff. Lower token emissions, the fees because of the protocol maturing in TVL. The TVL has grown so much for Tonic. The fees could provide incentives, reducing token inflation and slowing the emission rate. The NFT, focusing on Cronos NFTs, DeFi for Cronos NFTs. All around super bullish, guys. Super bullish update. This is great stuff, man. Like I said, the project keeps building and delivering, and they're focusing on the Cronos ecosystem as a whole, the Crow ecosystem. And as that blockchain develops, Tonic will, you know, have a great place there, because like I said in my previous video, it is the #1 project on the Cronos chain as far as TVL, total value locked liquidity. That is great. Okay, that is great stuff, guys. Let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you guys think of this update? Let me get your comments. I see a lot of likes, and I'd like to see comments as well. Even if you just comment Tonic to the moon, I'd like to see your comments, guys. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts as well. Everything Tonic and myself is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.